I'm Adam from Cartersville, Georgia. I wanted to get some experience in learning how to do the proper procedures all the way through a full detail, as well as learn the business aspects on starting a small business. It's fantastic. I'm really enjoying, we're getting into the marketing now, which I think is the most interesting to me, and obviously is super important in growing a small business. Today's training has been excellent. There's a lot of different instructors that each student gets to spend time with and learn various techniques on. Got a lot of experience with a lot of different tools, especially like dual action polishers, which I really enjoyed. It's great. We got an opportunity to use a lot of new tools that I haven't experienced, and I think most of us haven't. And it's impressive to see what they can do.